Are you looking for 4-car garage, single-story home, huge, awesome sliders, big, spacious, open floor plan, amazing community with great amenities, best schools in the state of Florida? Then you need to stick around for this tour. Welcome to the Daniel Floor Plan by Richmond American Homes here in TrailMark, St. Augustine, Florida. A brand new community, and the Daniel Floor Plan will be sitting on a 63-foot lot. If you prefer preserve lake, that will be your choice. Before we get started, please, if you would, hit like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, alerts for future tours. I try to put them out every week. And back to the tour here, as you enter the Daniel Floor Plan, you would never know this home is 2,300 square foot, and there's so many options. So from the beginning on the exterior, you'll see that this model has a 3-car garage, but they are building them with a 4-car garage, and this is a single-story home. The other option you have here, as you enter the home to the right, you have an office den. This option is to convert this den into a 4th bedroom, which I would probably recommend. Across from the office den or your 4th bedroom is your bath, shared by all the bedrooms in this corner of the home. This is a double vanity, subway tile shower tub combo. Very nice and clean. Seems way more spacious than 2,300 square feet. In between the bedrooms, you have your laundry room with plenty of cabinet space, a sink, and then your washer and dryer. This could be bedroom number 2 if you convert the office den, or your 1st bedroom. Have a double window, and a double door closet. This room is especially light and bright because it has 3 windows, which I always advise when you're building to get as many windows as you can. Here's a quick gander of the closets. Nice amount of room. Bedroom number 2 or bedroom number 3. Again, if you're converting the den to another bedroom, this is your 3rd bedroom. This room has 1 window and a nice sized walk-in closet. So maybe not as many windows in this room, but certainly a nice walk-in closet as a trade. If you notice the entry of the home, you have these awesome, wide, spacious entry hallway and an oversized coat closet, utility closet, because again, you can never have enough room. And Richmond American does a really good job of giving you those nice sized closets. This is your entry from the garage, your AC, and then a little key drop area here with some nice cabinets for additional storage. Again, this Daniel Floor Plan is not available all over St. Johns County. It's really just available here right now as filming this video in TrailMark in St. Augustine. Gotta love the size of this kitchen and the island. It's oversized. Plenty of room for your leg space. Love the backsplash tile, gas stove. Just really light and bright, and again, this island, you can't beat it. It's so big. Plenty of room for preparing meals and still being part of the action. Here's your formal dining room to the right with, again, plenty of windows, making it really light and bright. And then again, one of my favorite features of this home is all these huge sliders. Let's take a quick gander outside. course, you're gonna wanna probably extend this lanai area and screen it in for the summertime bugs. And again, this is a model home, and this is the very beginning stages of this Richmond American community here in TrailMark. But this is the back of the Daniel. Again, these are built on 63-foot lots, and you can choose preserve or lake lot. If you don't know much about the TrailMark community, it's an amenity-rich community with the large pools and amenities. It also has a kayak launch and lots of hiking trails for those that love the outdoors. Before I forget, take a quick look at the size of this pantry. Again, it's massive. I just have to walk in just to show you how big it is. All right, and I saved the best for last, the primary bedroom. Right off the living room area. Lots of windows, again, making it really light and bright. We have a double vanity with drawers in the middle. Seeing a lot of wallpaper these days. Very nicely done. And then a huge shower that includes a little sitting area and some windows, again, to keep it light and bright. WC. And then your primary closet, pretty nice and spacious. So the TrailMark is in St. Augustine in St. Johns County, one of the best school districts in the state of Florida, and they actually have a brand new high school as well. This is a CDD community. If you have any further questions, please reach out. I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. And I certainly appreciate you hanging out with me today. And check out some of the other Richmond American floor plans. They do a phenomenal job. And as of the time of filming this, for the value, this home would run around $650,000. Also keep in mind it's included in these homers. This is a paver community, so you also get the pavers in the exterior of the home. And just in case you didn't see it on the way in, this is the 3-car garage. They're now model offices, but they will be having homes with that 4th car garage option, which I always recommend. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, and see you in the next tour.